We are taking a live look over Fort Smith right now. Chilly morning out there, Zach. What do people need to know?
Yeah, you see those clouds have rolled in too. We've been watching that. We've got clouds in place today. You got a cooler air mass that's filtering in. You got a chilly north wind driving in that air mass. It's going to be a cold day is what I'm getting at here. I've laid out all the details here to show you, to prove to you it's going to be a cold one. All right, cool air is in place. We're looking at temperatures have been steadily falling as we've gone through the overnight hours. Not too bad out there. If the clouds hadn't moved in, we would have fallen a little further. The clouds are slowing the cooling process here and holding those temperatures a little bit more in place, and the windy conditions as well, kind of keeping the air mixed up, though it's those winds driving in that cooler air. 39 Japton, one of the cooler places here. All right, not a lot of rebound. You saw the temperatures right there. We're in the 40s with the clouds in place, the cooler air driving in. Again, we're not expecting a lot of movement with the temperatures into the 40s in northwest Arkansas. River Valley, a little bit more of a rebound. Going to try to work our way into the upper 40s and low 50s here across the southern half of Five Country. All right, we've got that north breeze that I mentioned driving in the cooler air. It's going to be strongest through the AM hours. It will be lighter as we go through the afternoon and eventually into the evening. I think gusts here through this morning going to be 20 to 30 miles per hour with some gusts 30 to 35 miles per hour possible. Now, as we get into the afternoon, you already noticed winds are relaxing some. I still think we'll have a breeze 10 to 20 miles per hour, but gusts will be more 20 to 25. As we head into the evening hours, we'll get gusts below 20 miles per hour. Winds will continue to relax as we go late evening through the overnight, but it'll still feel a little colder with that air moving around, right? We're going to be feeling like the 30s into the 20s as we ring in the new year in northwest Arkansas. Chilly night for us bundling up in the River Valley, feeling like the 30s by late evening, and we'll be feeling more like the low to mid 30s by New Year's. All right, overnight, tomorrow morning, you step out, and a lot of us will probably be sleeping in. It'll be cold, 20s and low 30s for overnight lows. A couple things I want to show you here. I'm going to highlight the cold that's moving in over the next couple of weeks and a storm system that's bringing at least rain on Sunday. So there's that colder air. That blue has nudged into the area thanks to the cold front overnight. Going to be chilly for us the next couple of days. Now, as we head into the weekend, you know some of those warmer yellows coming back in. Strong storm system comes in. Strong southerly flow kind of brings in that warm air from the south briefly. With this system, we feel confident we will get rain widespread. Can we get a wintry mix? It's possible. Two things we have to watch. The shallow cold air just ahead of it could lead to a little start of some wintry weather, or the cold air wrapping around on the backside. Can the cold air come in quick enough to give us a little wintry mix? It's on the table. We can't guarantee winter weather. Right now, though, we do feel good. Again, it's going to rain, and then cold air is going to surge in. Look at the cool down, not only for us in Five Country, massive cool down here for the entire U.S. Cold air surges in through next week with a secondary surge of cold air as we wrap up next week and head into the weekend. So, again, a couple things that we're watching there. We've got rain looking likely on Sunday, a soggy Sunday. Is there a chance for a winter mix? Yes. And the chance for the River Valley isn't zero. We feel like right now with all the data that we have, we're just going with a forecast of rain. But we're going to have to figure it out as we get closer. But again, we anticipate it will at least rain, and then it will get much colder as we go through the week of the 6th and the 10th.
Okay, winter, if you're wanting it, here it comes, right?
Yes.
The feel.
Here she comes.
Here she comes. Here he comes.
Here's Alex with your morning sports report.